Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about how we can use exception bit overflow stored in Siemens PLC S7-300. Let's go to our software, and here first of all I will take one command. For example, we will take that addition instruction because of our testing it. This our OS instruction, we have to be use some addition or any multiplication and addition, double word, single word, whatever we can use. This command we have to be used. Here we will take one close contact, and here this one we will use this one OS exception bit overflow stored command, and I will double click on this one, and here one we will take the output, and this Q4.0 address I will give, and here I0.0 we can give, and this one MW10 an example, this one MW15 an example, and this one MW20 an example can give, and this we will be download to the PLC. Now we will go to this command manual, and after you can read this one. Here what he says in description: OS exception bit overflow stored, or OS means same name, this is the full form. Negated exception bit overflow stored. Contact symbols are used to recognize and store a latching overflow in a math function. If the result of the instruction lies outside the permissible negative or positive range, the OS bit in the status word is set. Means what he says, if the result of the instruction lies outside of the permissible negative or positive range, the OS bit in the status word will be set. Unlike the OV bit, means unlike OV bit, which is rewritten for subsequent math functions, means if you using this one OV bit, this will you have to be used in each and every line. For example, here you are using this one, and here you using this one OV bit, but after next bit, when you next program you will be make that will be not integrated with this command, because of this is the after the bit. But what's the function of this command in your program? Anywhere maybe when last bit you will be used this one OS command stored overflow. Anywhere in your program have some mistakes coming or where value overflow coming, that will be work. But instead of this one OV, this you have to be use each and every line where you like to be used and like to check this one indication, there you can use. But instead of this one OV, this command just only you can use one single command, and all your complete program, maybe 100 lines program you will be make upstairs, and you like to be monitor. This is where somewhere if have any mistake coming, our any output will be high, so this will be show. So I show you this one. Now we will make this simulation, and on an example this will be working same, but this is just difference is what, if you making just only against this line, so how I make, I will rate this one lot same. Like here we will use this one, we will delete this one, and we will use this one OP bit, and here one more addition instruction we will be take, and address I0.0 sim for example we can give, and here MW2, MW3, and MW7, any numbers we can choose just only for testing any, and this I will be download and make it this one monitor. And now an example, this command is, for example, here we will put the value 3276 and write, and this still this is not on because of here not have any value. When increase the value of the integer, after this will be work. For example, here we will be put 12 or 13, same like any value, random value you put. When after you can see this is the minus value goes into the minus, and after this bit is high. Same as here we will put this one. For example, modify 32767, and here this is also go to the high, but this command is working against this one. This is working after this is work, but this I make it healthy, no problem. This I make it healthy, this you can see, but this is still here is a value is now wrong, but this is not working because of this lines. If you like to be used just only one command, so you have to be used just only here in new network, or think about yani, sorry, not here, here we will make this one new network. Yeah, here we will use this one OS, and next output we will be used, for example, Q 3.0, and we will download to the PLC and monitor. And now instead of this one, you can see this one command is now healthy, and here I will give this one, for example, one value, but first I will, this is now wrong value. This command is working and this command is also working because of this is this command is working with both this one. And for example, I remove this command, remove or not remove, nothing any issue. This one I will make it healthy, for example 0 I will put it here. You can see this is now okay, and still this is running. Why running? Because of here something have wrong, and if here is okay, for example modify will we make it 0, after you can see this is also healthy, this is also healthy, this will be working, it will be both. And now for example here we will put the wrong value 67, and sorry, and now you can see this is wrong value and now this is working. If this will be wrong or this will be wrong in program anywhere, if mistake coming, after this command will be work OS command. No use to be all lines you have to be used this one OS instruction, just only last line if you can use. And in anywhere in the program, if some value will be missed or wrong value, this will be indicates you. If you use this close command, after this will be high in 0 state, and if you will be put this one open contact, after this will be after wrong, this will be go to high. Hope guys you will be understand about this one OS command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah